Alright guys, what is going on today? Today's video is probably without a doubt the most exciting video I'm here to share with you and make for you guys that almost doesn't include racing. Racing to me is the funnest videos to do, hands down. I get to race, make a video, see you guys watch me. It's like you watching me go to the track and stuff like that. But today's video is probably even better, as you can almost tell from the title and stuff like that. But stay tuned, we got beyond big things coming. I've been saying big things are coming, big things are coming. Now, well, the biggest thing has actually come. It's 100% official. We are doing it. It's on its way. It'll be here soon. So let's go.
Success is at the end of the tunnel, and greatness is waiting for you.
Now let's just hear that chat for a little bit. Alright guys, yes, it is actually officially happening. Now, we've teamed up with Whipple superchargers and we're getting this Ram supercharged. Now, I've been wanting to do this for a while. And I tried last year, a couple things didn't pan out. I almost had some things going, but I always wanted a Whipple. It's just, I know I wanted Pro Charger and stuff like that with the friggin' converter, but I've always wanted to get that Whipple with that Whipple sound and to know Whipple is the best blower there is to get. And I'm very excited to work with them. This is like, I've been so excited lately, I can't even tell you guys. And when it came through, it was even more exciting. Yes, I know I made a video about possibly getting a Hellcat, which I almost did. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually went and I looked at them and stuff like that. It just wasn't there and ready and stuff like that. So I contacted Whipple and we are working together now, officially happening. We are probably a couple of weeks out on the kit. Now, we have to do a couple of things, obviously, before we can just go and install the kit right away. Number one, we got to get a new cam in here. The cam in this truck is literally obviously an NA cam. So we have to get a nice boost cam. So I'm going to hit Jay up. We're going to get a nice custom grind boost cam for this thing. Don't know the size. We already have ported heads. We already have the built rear. We already have the, sorry, I can't even think right now. I'm just very excited to make this video for you guys. I'm very excited to get this stuff out there, man. Like, once it's here, we're doing unboxing and stuff like that. Install. There's so much to really be done that I'm ecstatic about it. And I'm very excited. So let's go and say what we're gonna do. Okay, getting the Whipple in. It's coming in possibly a few weeks, depending on how far out they are and stuff like that. If you guys are wondering, I'm actually in the truck and it's idling right now, so it may be a little shaky, a little choppy, because it's very, very hot out. Actually, it says 104 on my thing. It's not 104 degrees. I'm just letting you know that now. It's probably about 80 degrees, about 80, 85. But it's hot out, and I wanted to take it around, take a drive for you guys, but it's hard to hear in this truck. It's very loud in this truck, and I am literally on slicks and Hoosiers, or front skinnies and Hoosier slicks. I have not changed them out. I'll be changing them out this weekend because I'm not going racing this weekend. It's because Father's Day, it's going to be too hot. Not really the optimal weather, but we're going to get racing again very, very soon. So we have the Whipple coming in a couple of weeks. We still need to do a couple of things before we can get it directly installed. Now, my plan is not to just throw it on the way this truck sits and bing, bang, boom, I'm done. No, that's not the plan. My plan, and you know me, when I do my plans, I try and get it to the best I can get. I always try to be the fastest I can be. I always try to say, I'm going to beat this guy, I'm going to beat this guy. Now, with the Whipple, I feel like I can almost beat everybody. If you have a 5.7 Ram, I feel like I'm going to whoop your ass. I'm not being like cocky. I just feel that's how it's going to be. Not because I'm better than you or I'm faster than you, because I know with me, Jay, and Whipple working together, it's like an unstoppable team right there. That's how I feel, and that's how I want to. That's how I want to bring out and bring all the great content for you guys. Great numbers. Now the truck, what we're going to do is get a new boost cam. That is probably one of the first things we're going to do. And I don't plan on just staying on 5 PSI, 5 to 8 PSI and running baby boost or nothing like that. No, I want to get the MMX drop-ins, throw them in this thing, and turn the boost up, and really see what this thing can do, and go for 10s. That's obviously the goal. How far in the 10s, I don't know. A lot of guys have gone stupidly low 11s without even drop-ins, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. They don't even have half the mods I have. They don't have cam, they don't have converter, they don't have ported heads. A couple of guys did it with just bolt-ons, good tuning, and they did it in a lighter truck, but I got my truck. This truck gets pretty damn light when I'm ready to go to the racetrack. Hoosier slicks, front skinnies. So I'm basically at their weight, if you know what I mean. They're full weight, because they usually run full weight. So I'm usually almost there at their weight that it is. So yeah, that is what we are doing. So I'm going to tell you this now. So I'll probably get some messages for it. So the 6.4 manifold that I just got, basically brand new, couple of 100 miles on it, maybe I think 1,000 miles, not even 1,000. No, the cam only has 1,000. 6.4 manifold, that will be for sale when the install and everything else goes on. That will be for sale. My 84 millimeter Fastman ported throttle body, that will be for sale. And my Greene Racing Stage 2.0 high lift V2 thump camshaft, that will be for sale. So if you guys want any of them things, just let me know. All three of them will be for sale. They're not going to be for sale right away, because it's going to take a little bit to get everything, everything we need for this the Whipple to run the way we want it to run, and to do what we can do with the truck. So the plan is to get it and just get, obviously I want to get it on as quick as possible and do the best that I can, but I still need to buy other things, and I need to get other things lined up before we can do that. It's not just go, like I said, I don't want to just go in there, get the Whipple, throw it on, and it's not going to run the times that I obviously am hoping for it, because it's not set up for it. But once we get the actual pure setup for it, we can easily run those. I think we can easily run those times. So very exciting things, man. Very, very exciting. I am been excited for a while, and when this came through, I don't even know how to explain it. And I want to thank everyone from Whipple and Nick and everybody, and Nick from Whipple Superchargers, for helping me out a lot. He's the one I contacted and stuff, so thank him very much. So we're you know what I mean, we're trying to do big things, and I'm trying to be the best Ram racing content that there is. That's my goal, to give you guys the best Ram content, not just go on the street and do polls and stuff like that, which, it's always fun, but my goal is to get to the track and show what we can do, show what the Whipple is made of, show how nasty the Ram can be when you do it right. Show how fast they can be. I already showed how fast they can be NA, and this is a 4-door, 4-wheel drive truck. There's not many NA Rams out there faster than me. Not many at all. Probably just a handful, and they have more mods, more things done, and I'm still hanging, you know what I mean? I'm still there, and they're almost all of them, except for really one, is all single cabs and 2-wheel drive. So 4 doors, 4-wheel drive. But once we get the Whipple in, the new cam, everything we want, the drop-ins, build the bottom end, just imagine what this thing's going to run. You want to talk about me saying I was going to beat a GT500 in a Hellcat? Imagine me doing that in a Ram. Just imagine that. I can already imagine it. Right off the line, I will destroy one. I can out 60 a brand new GT500 now. They don't 60 very well. Imagine what I could do with a Whipple and boost all the way down the track. So there's no need to buy a Hellcat for that. We can do it in the Ram, which I love the most. This is my baby. So nothing but Ram content, man. This is what we're gonna do. This is the plan. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I hope you guys really like what's coming, because I'm very, very excited, and I'm so happy to bring this to you guys. So, you know what I mean? We're gonna definitely still be racing NA and stuff like that until everything comes out. So don't think that's gone away. We're still doing all the regular Ram content every day until this comes. So nothing's changing with anything until we get it in, and the install, the breakdown, the dropping the pistons. We got so much content, unboxing, so much content for you guys. And now, you know what I mean? This is without all that content, plus all the summer content, all the racing we got. We're doing big things here, man, and I'm just glad to be sharing this with you guys. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. So I thank each and every one of my subscribers and my fans and everyone that bought merchandise. I'm wearing my Cam Ram shirt. I'm wearing this in this video for a reason today, because it says Cam's Ram. That's going to say something else, as you saw in the little intro I did. Hope you guys enjoyed that. So stay tuned to the channel, and we're going to probably try and get some racing going very, very soon with some other vehicles. And when we can do it, man, I don't know. It's getting hot out too, but I race in the heat no matter what. And the funniest thing is right now this truck's running great in the heat. It's running just as good as in the heat as it did in the cold. So that's what I got for you guys. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I've been rambling on. I'm just very excited. But once we get more things going, and I got something else coming this week too. Actually, it just came in today, but I'll do a video on that very shortly, because I've been waiting to do this. I know I've been talking about it, but I've been waiting to do this, so I'll show you that possibly in the next video, guys. So stay tuned to the channel. Have a good one. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.